Okay, this is just a real quick, I want to show off this, Watch Dogs, this SPIDERBOT. So, got this, SPIDERBOT that, TIDIS actually has over here. And this thing is freaking awesome. I love it because you can actually go up here, crawl on walls, crawl on the ceiling, you can actually move around, crawl on poles, and then here's a cool thing, crawling around it. And it's such a great job with this. So somebody's shooting at me here, gotta find out who it is. It's over here somewhere. There he is. There we go. Now all I gotta do is take out this last... Somebody's still shooting at me. Who the hell's doing that? There we go. I gotta take out this last thing here.
That did it. Heading to the prototypes now.
We've got a problem. Looks like the door
Anyways,
to the...
I just wanted to show it off. I thought it was really cool myself.